Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Can I call you Rose?
Hello guys! So karon kay January 8, 2026. Karon ang day gyud sa birthday ni Chess. So later kunya gabi mag-dinner mi sila. Tapos tomorrow pickleball tournament ni Chess. Saturday magpabuda mi para celebrate na mo ang birthday ni Chess.
Saan ka na?
Dito na ako sa labas ng house mo.
Okay. Sige, bye.
Yes, yun siya. Ikaw ba niya si Emilia? And mga chuwari waps niya.
Happy birthday to you. Chess!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to
You!
Huli.
For Emilia. Not for me.
Reason.
Akala ko ay ChatGPT.
Hi guys! Ako karon sa gawa sa balay ni Pat. Gisundo na ko siya. Kay today is pickleball tournament ni Chess. Wow! Tapos teammate kami ni Pat. So, gisundo na ko siya kay para di siya kapuyon. Wow! And siguro mag-coffee sa amin.
Bye.
Ipaano ko sana beans ko sa Okay guys, so andito po kami ni Carlos na.
Hindi ka din marinig. Walang mic. Ando ng mic sa sasakyan.
Ay! Okay guys, andito kami ngayon sa Habitat. Okay, so guys, sarap talaga ang kanas. Spanish. Sarapan talaga. Ikaw Carlos, what can you say about their coffee? What can you say about their coffee?
Napanganin na kami.
Gift ball and points reach. Okay, sorry. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So today is day 2 and it's pickleball day. It's a pickleball tournament for Cheska. And there are awards and my champion, first runner-up and second runner-up. And I think merong mga certificates for some other awards also. Be doing pickleball from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And then, look at, hindi kami same color ni Carlos kasi nahirapan talaga siya hanap ng color. Pero medyo, we're on the same same family.
Yeah.
Hindi siya pink talaga and hindi din siya like sa purple. I'll be back later to show you guys how fun this is. And tomorrow pala is day 3 of Cheska's birthday. So you guys should continue watching the video kasi I think mas funny siya tomorrow knowing na games kami. And actually, we had a game last night na we would be bringing. Di masyado natin na And mas maging competitive tayo. And sana no cheating na. Cause guys, the boys, hindi sila good to play with. Wala silang sportsmanship.
Happy birthday to you. Kanta ka pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Bago karakter yan.
Shit, lipungan nun, uy.
Karakter
Fuck, nalipong ako.
Hi, Chess. I just want to say, happy birthday. Asa ka, Los? Di mo ginakuna namin, Okay. Ito ang pangalawang araw, pero nagbalita. So, mga kababayan.
Nagbabagang balita.
Sige, ikaw sa nagbabago.
Nagbabagang balita.
Ngayon po ang pangalawang araw ng pag-celebrate. Dito tayo. Ng birthday ng aming our dear Cheska, our our queen mother.
Celebration.
So,
Celebrate.
okay.
Pagdiriwang.
Ay, mo pala. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na it's so fun kasi nanalo kami. Kung hindi kami nanalo, maybe...
Wala to. Karakteran lang.
Tagalog, gusto mo? Tagalog tayo, halika.
Pwede mag-eat na, Chess?
Okay guys, so this is Ella. Say happy birthday and what are your wishes for Cheska?
I love you, Chess.
Wishes.
A long life, good health, and sana magka-baby ka na.
Hi guys! So we're going to award our certificates first, and then we're gonna award the medals. Okay. We have the Rager Award. Plays hard, yells harder, and hates losing the most. So every point is personal. And she is always fueled by fierce competition and anger and cursing with a purpose. Okay, it goes to Ella A.
Iputulungan ko siya in anger.
Recognition of unmatched energy, legendary reactions, and celebrations that were just as entertaining as the game itself. Okay, so the winner is JJ. Best court celebration. Woohoo!
Roll your father.
1, 2, 3.
Is in the right spot and always has your back. The kind of partner who makes every game better. For Pat. Okay. Best partner. Best court partner is Carlos M. Woohoo! Carlos M. Recognition of expressive gameplay, passionate reactions, and turning even the smallest point into a headline moment. Okay, most dramatic, Jana H. Serious na mag- Hindi yung dramatic na ako eh.
1, 2, 3.
Undeniable main character, court presence. Again, undeniable main character presence. Pat M.
Right. Hindi ko na Hindi ko na
Nasa yung main character ba?
Hindi ko na main character. Gago kayo.
The most valuable player goes to undeniably a good player, good sport. What else? Magaling maglaro overall. Okay, our most valuable player goes to KJ. Woohoo! Yay! Second runner-up is Jade and Cheska. Woohoo!
Congrats, guys! Second runner-up!
First runner-up, Ella and Jana.
Bakit ang duko ko kanina ganyan lang, pero si Kisha ganyan.
Kasi matangkad siya masyado.
Okay na po.
Yay! Okay, now, the ones who beat everybody. Our champions are KJ and Joshua.
Ano kayo, look lang? Kailangan tayong lahat?
Olympians yan.
Ay, sorry.
Hi, Kiss. Hi, guys. Ay, wait. Hey. Hi, guys. Yun. Uy, wag Hi guys! So today is day 3 of Cheska's birthday celebration and we're going to Buddha and then we're gonna pick Ella and Luke at Luke's house.
Kami, sunod ya.
Okay, that's Carlos. Shh! Hindi pakita sa... Don't let the vlog hear that, please!
Ano sabi niya?
Pa, close na yung bag, ha? Okay, guys, so...
Wally close boy.
Okay, guys. Shh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Shh.
Bag lang daw.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Anything else pala? We're going to Buddha, and then we're gonna be staying at Pine Woods. So there's a jacuzzi and yeah,
Alam mo na may jacuzzi?
and Cheska may binigay si Ches sa amin.
So, anong ma-say mo? Anong ma-feel mo right now?
Happy, and I feel blessed and loved.
Post pa. Everybody.
I feel
Yeah.
and medyo tired a bit from the activities.
Festivities.
Yeah, but I feel grateful. I prepared some things na, hopefully ma-enjoy ng all. Yeah.
Okay, fun fact. So, every January, ang birthday ni Chess, and it's so, para siyang extension of holidays for us. Si Cheska nag-celebrate ng best na birthday ever, all the time. Like, talagang ganap. Never talaga like, happy birthday surprise! Okay, una namin. Like, always talaga may ganap. Before pandemic, nag-go kami sa Baganga, namuntik pa kami dun mga... Anyway, okay na naman. Lingaw gani masyado, muntik pa marong ang lahat. Thank you Lord, naka-survive naman kami ng isang... Di ba?
Yung ano pa, yung ibangga natin na hindi pala
So, nag-go kami. Okay, the next day, nag-go kami sa isang resort. Tapos mali pala yung resort na puntahan namin. Gisira lang namin yung entrance. Ay, tingnan namin, nabangga namin. Tapos pagbaba namin, sabi ng driver, ay, yung dili na, mali din.
Hindi ko para na yung gate.
Si Pakoy, kinagkain siya ng mga 5 ka. Biro kasi.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind.
27 na.
I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me.
Ano yung order?
One of each.
Wow.
One on each, and then you're gonna pay.
Pakita mo yun ha? Sa sarili mo.
Ben, say hi.
Hello. Bakit na ganun?
Tingnan, kaya ayaw ko magsama.
Eh ako mawalan na akong gana sa mga ganito ba?
Oo nga. Wala sa tamang lugar.
Wala sa... Uy!
Pala kami sa lugar, ha?
Oo nga.
So guys, nasa Pilgrim kami to get some bread for our cheese board.
And for the
We're gonna-
pasta.
And for the pasta. And also, we're gonna go to tree house ba tayo? We're gonna go to tree
That's
house
all?
to get some coffee or something to drink.
Yes. Okay. Hi.
Actually bought 2 muffins.
Yung
We bought
apple
the
cinnamon,
apple cinnamon, which we just ate, and then
caramel,
the
pumpkin.
Good? Okay, let me try.
Charap!
Can you get me some?
Vlog. That's good. Feel ko yung caramel ginawa talaga dito. No?
Yeah.
It's good.
Di
Parang
siya
siyang
yung,
lazy.
di siya yung ano ng caramel. Like parang out of a pouch.
May magkain pa nito?
Na! Kainin mo na!
Ayan mo na.
Sa'yo na
Yay!
yan.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Mas kami ito, no? And the dried apples.
The snacks that we got, we just wanted
To
try it out.
And it's good.
It's good.
Ano mas want mo? Ano mas like mo? Yung pumpkin or yung apple?
Apple!
I like the apple better than
I like the pumpkin. For some reason.
Really?
Yeah, tapos hindi ako caramel person. But so good!
Sorry, Mother Nature.
Babe, ano mas like mo? The apple or the pumpkin?
First one.
Apple.
Apple cinnamon.
Apple?
How about you?
Plus.
Ay, sabi
Ano yung
naman.
first?
Apple cinnamon.
Yun,
apple
okay.
cinnamon.
Si Luke din. Sali mo.
How about you, Luke?
Bawa naman siya.
Okay lang sa
Ano
inyo.
yun? Apple. Really? Ako lang ang pumpkin? It's so good!
It's good man din, pero mas masarap lang yung apple
parang just the right amount of cinnamon
Pero,
kasi siya.
And
masarap.
the
Mas
dried
masarap
apple.
yung
Yeah.
first. Pero yung
Kala mo naman, ano talaga?
yung second kay mas hindi siya
Full
yung
meal.
common good na lasa.
Common siya, pero like hindi niya na common. Di ba? Apple cinnamon, very common ba yan? Pero hindi niya like na common.
Okay, now we're here at
Treehouse!
we're parking. Then we're gonna show you what it looks like, but I'm sure you've been here before.
Ako naman ako. Isa lang ako.
So we just ordered our hot chocolate and we're paying for it right now. Or Ella's paying for it right now.
Anong i-order mo?
Hot chocolate.
Ikaw?
Because it's so cool.
Anong gusto mo sabihin ko, ma'am? Ice chocolate yung gusto ko na order. Tapos sabi nila, itry ko daw ang hot.
So you ordered?
Hot. Kasi lahat naman hot eh. This woman, very hot. Ay, parang
Your girlfriend was...
parang walang asawa at anak yan, no? Tingnan mo yung... Tingnan mo yan? Artista yan.
Uy, naku.
Nakulangan mo na lang. Natagal niya.
Ha?
Cabin.
Yan. Bestie! What's cooking? Hi guys! So we're here.
Mga tanaw sa sariling vlog ba? Para madugang ang viewers. Naulo na kasi yung sarili. Okay ra good. How good ka?
We're here waiting
Pat ganyo?
pizza.
Si Pat na nagpa-vlog.
Pat gani mas kidili hot gan gyapon.
Okay, and si Luke is sleeping. So,
Oh, basket. Thank you.
So, alam niyo na guys kung sinong prinsesa dito.
See the marbling oh?
Oh, look at the
very
marble.
white.
anong prinsesa? Nagluto nga ako ng rice.
Marbling.
Vlog! Nagluto ako. May ambag na ako. Ako pinakauna may giambag dito. Huwag kang
Rice at
ganyan.
saka
Yes,
puso.
pag si Pat ko'y luto lang.
Ako, anong ambag ko?
Hugas, lato. Tama ka na sa luto, si ka naluto sa buhay.
Uy, ako lang isa maghugas.
Hanap ka partner.
Kami ni Pat.
Hindi mo partner, ano?
Right? Tayo ng pinong right. Pako.
Pakita mo tayo. Tadadadan, tadadadan, tadadadan.
Para saan ganyan na bread? Anong tawag?
Charcuterie.
Potato.
Hindi ko talaga yung mabigas na word ba?
Garlic and potato.
Okay, guys.
Bistek Tagalog. Pagpagulos.
What? Oh, Andre?
Hi guys! So, we're gonna play a game. Ilang games? Ayaw daw niya, mag-inuman daw siya ngayon.
Oh, let's go!
Pero only one lang. Okay, so we have 4 games and ito aming first game. Ay, wait, sorry. Who sent that text?
Ako nag-video ko little.
Bito na, wala tayong nag-vlog nun. Nagsip, besh, lamig. Ang lamig masyado. Oh my gosh! Ka-effort checks. We're so excited.
Ano yung nasa mouth ko?
Icing. Oh, who sent that text? Dali. Oh, basahi ang text. Ipunan talaga. Oh my God. Ha ha ha. Lagi, pwede na ko mamatay the next day. Bye. Oh, wala na ta nagabay karon pero back then, sige tagbay sa una. So, kinsa man ni?
Ella siguro.
Sino nag-vote na Ella?
Ella. Okay, everybody says
Ella. Okay. Sipat!
I don't remember.
Sipat! Kasi dugay na nga yan. Sipat nagsabi niyan. Yan, sa cake.
Sila yan. I don't remember that.
Hindi din ako.
Mag-e-ela ko ng pinakakatawan na.
Ako kay si Pat.
Okay, next. Oh, this one.
Hindi sabi ang ginawa.
Pakita man na.
Pat! Wala ka nag-sorry, Pat?
Hindi ako nagsasabi.
Kaya bitaw.
So, sino man yan? Ginavote mo self mo?
Yeah, it's here. I use your glass.
Hello, Bess.
Can
Hi,
you
Chess.
excuse?
Happy birthday. JDH.
Oh my God, makita ang red horse.
Red first. Lucky.
Can we eat na?
1, 2, 3, go. Dapat one at a time, ha? One at a time.
Wait! Put nyo lang
Oh!
sa nyo. And wait, hindi niyo siya pwede.
Nahulog. Okay, ready, go! Tulo na to? Wala eh, nakawat. Ay, ha, pwede man na sorted.
Pero sorted to eh.
Pwede na sorted.
Sorted? No.
Okay, winner natin ni si Lu.
Oh, ikaw.
Hinayaan ko na siya, ginaan mo ako, ilain mo siya sa pakiramdam ko.
Ayawa, mag...
Uy, go! Ready?
Si Carlos sa kagaya na.
Gago, malipo ka lang sa himulok.
Ay, Carlos. Ayaw. Nabilin kay Ella sa kamot ni Ella. Ayaw kay sakit. Dili na mo kahawaan. Ayaw. Sa ko ah.
Gusto ko na ma-watch. Dami na kayo mo.
Guys, Powerpuff Girls.
See you later. See you tomorrow. Just here talking, reminiscing, and just, enjoying our last few hours before we go to sleep.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow for our next activity.
Bye.
Bye.
Transition. Bye guys. See you another day. One, two, three, go. Na. Napod. Yun.
Nadunggan to guys.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Okay, hi guys. We're here at asan to? Ground Zero Coffee. This is our last stop. We're just gonna get coffee, and then we're gonna go home now. So, what can you say about the trip?
It was so fun and thank you so much, Chess. Dito ka. Thank you so much for this trip and the whole birthday celebration. The 4-day birthday celebration. We had so much fun. Wala pa rin makakatalo sa'yo. You're the best. Yeah. And, yeah.
What can you say about this trip?
It was fun. It was fun.
Carlos.
Carlos, what can you say about the trip? So,
Hi guys. Thank you. Bye.
What can you say about
what can
Ay!
you say about this trip?
Ano? Lingaw. Lingaw. Lingaw siya kay nagdula mig games.
Yeah.
Katawanan.
And parang we said a lot of stuff last night na nag-end up nag-iyakan.
Nagpay na.
Okay guys, so since this is our last stop, dito na din mag-end ang vlog. Okay, say bye to the vlog, guys.
Bye. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us and watching our vlog. Till our next outing.
Next time.
Yeah, could be pickleball or something. So yeah, bye guys.